launch control. Hey everybody, it's Bobby again here at ThunderMax Tech Support. Today we're going to go over something pretty cool, something that I think is really neat, and we're going to be talking about launch control. All right, so like I said, today we're going to be talking about launch control or drag race two-step RPM. Now this is really neat. It's kind of more or less, I hate to say it, but it's a party trick. A lot of people who enable this aren't really going to use it for its intended purpose at the drag strip, but it does sound cool when you pull up to your buddies and you let this thing rip. So what you're going to first have to have is you're going to have a bike with a factory equipped clutch switch. An aftermarket add-on clutch switch will not work. It has to be a factory equipped clutch switch. And now to enable this, you're going to go into your software, module configuration, basic settings, and then you're going to see a box selected. It's going to say drag race two-step RPM. When you click on that, it's going to give you the option to set your RPM down as low as 2,752 RPM or all the way up to 7,968 RPM, which I do not recommend. And I don't recommend it because this is what drag race two-step / launch control is. Let's say you set this RPM range at, we'll be conservative and set it at 3552 RPM. Now, you're going to grab your clutch, pull your clutch all the way in. You're going to grab your throttle, and from 0 to 100 with no hesitation, you're going to give it full throttle. And what's going to happen is the ECM is going to hold your engine RPM at that 3552 RPM until you let off the clutch. So while you've got the clutch in, full throttle, it's just bouncing off that 3552 limiter. Bop, 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 bop. Then when you let go of that clutch switch, you're off to the races. It's out of there. So that's how it works. And that's why I tell you I would not recommend setting it at 7,000 RPM, or your bike's more than likely going to come out from under you. So again, go to module configuration, basic settings, drag race, two-step RPM, and set your RPM at what you want it to be at. I suggest starting in the 2,000 RPM range until you get comfortable with it. And then as you get comfortable or you actually start to go to the track, then you can start increasing that RPM a little bit at a time. And always, when you make a change, always make sure you write those settings to the ECM. All right, so now you know how to do the drag race two-step RPM / launch control. Set it at what you want to set it at. Go out to the track, make some rips, impress your buddies. That way they want to run and get a ThunderMax. That way they can have drag race launch control. And if you have any questions, as always, contact ThunderMax Tech Support.